Okay, so yan yung sa mga channel ng ating CCTV camera no, na wireless. So ito naman yung ating channel 2 ng ating CCTV na wireless, no? HD siya. Okay? At ito naman guys, yung natin no, yung ating channel 3 ng ating CCTV na wireless ng Anran. Yung ating channel 4 ng ating CCTV. So ito naman yung mismo pinaka-head unit ng Anran Wireless HD TV. At makikita yung monitor na meron siyang 4 channels na very clear and crispy po. HD TV siya. Naka 1080 pixel na siya. At makikita nyo dito, ito yung mismo yung head unit. 1 terabyte configurable siya. Up to 4 terabytes po. So, ang ganda ng Anran. Hi guys, this is Bean Fat Fire Studio again and another gadget na naman po ang dumating sa atin. Okay, we're going to have a quick review on this one. And this is what we call the Anran. Okay, HD camera. Okay, 4 channels, minimum up to 8 channels, wireless. Easy to connect po. Ganun kasimple. Plug and play and then kaboom. Kita-kita na sa inyong mga monitor. Okay, as you can see here on this video, so makikita ko, pina-flash ko the specs of this Anran HD TV supported by 1080p na rin po. So kung meron kayo mag-YouTube kayo, pwede nang rekta na, save nyo lang. At very affordable lang po ito. Okay, hindi kagaya ng mga ibang branded na worth 100k, 50k ang brand. But this one is below 11,000 only. Okay, 4 channels ka na, wireless, 1 terabyte ang head unit nyo. Okay, if you will look on the box, okay, maganda. Okay, very robust siya. So let's open. Ano bang makikita sa loob? While still flashing yung spec ng Anran na to. And again, I highly recommend this one. I will post on the description link below how to grab this one, okay? And then later on, I will show you a quick video, the full spec, details, content, okay, and how to install it, okay? Kaya abangan, huwag aalis dyan. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, okay? So, ang laman na ito, makikita nyo dito, you'll open this one, no? So, yung Anran na manual. So, if you look on the Anran, so meron siyang sticker na rin, no? Ayan, Anran, okay? So, English lahat. English siya. Magandang manual. Kumikintab. That means, talagang ano siya, reliable siya. If you look on the packaging itself, so, unang makikita nyo is yung 4 na security camera. So, that's the channel 1 to channel 4. So, ayan po yun. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan po ang laman. That's the 4 camera. Ang laman. If you look on the box, may cushion siya. Talaga pinoprotektahan yung camera. Okay? And then, the other box is for all the accessories. No? Yan yung mga, yung talks, pambarena, if needed naman. Okay, at ilang mga tie wrap and some sticker. Okay, nandito naman siya. And of course, dito yung NVR, Network Video Recorder. So yung mismong head unit, ang sa akin, ang nakuha ko, ang dumating sa atin is 1 terabyte. Malaki na rin po yun. Okay, so yan yung content. The rest, wala na. So how to do it, how to install it, and take note. You can remotely access this particular NVR HD na wireless camera. Okay? Through your cell phone, both Android at iOS. So, eto na. Nagmamadali lang kayo. Simulan natin how to install it. Anything about Anran HD TV wireless. Eto na po ang buong kwento ng how to install and other spec of this very good product and gadget. Let's get on!